Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you several quick and easy ways to speed up your internet connection on a Windows computer. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing, these steps can help you get faster speeds. Let's go! Step 1. Disable background. Apps open your Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable any unnecessary apps that run when your PC starts. These can eat up bandwidth. Step 2. Flush DNS cache press windows. +R, type CMD and hit Enter. In the command prompt, type bash copy editip config. Check flush DNS, hit Enter. This clears out old DNS data that could be slowing things down. Step 3. Disable. Delivery optimization. Go to Settings. Update and Security. Delivery optimization. Turn off. Allow downloads from other PCs. This setting can consume bandwidth in the background. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Go to Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center. Change adapter settings. Right-click your active connection and select Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Now, select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter Preferred DNS, 8.8.8.8, Alternate DNS, 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save. This uses Google's public DNS, which is often faster and more reliable. Step 5. Use Ethernet. Optional. If you're on Wi-Fi and your speed is still slow, try plugging in via Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. And that's it. After doing these steps, you should notice a more responsive internet experience. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Windows tips, and hit the bell so you never miss out. Questions? Drop them in the comments.